Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today in this video you will learn how to make animated text on the website using SVG, which is Scalable Vector Graphics. So let's start this video. Here I have this folder. In this folder I have one HTML file, one CSS file. Let me open these files with my code editor, which is VS Code. So this is the HTML file where I have added the basic HTML structures, and this one is the CSS file. In the HTML file I have added the link tag to connect HTML and CSS file. Now in the body tag we will add a div with the class name container. Next we will add the CSS for this container, so just copy this one and add it in the CSS file. And for this container let's add the width and height. After that we will add a background so that we will see a background color on the complete web page. So this will be the dark color 111. Now we will open this HTML file. So let's open this HTML file with the web browser. Now you can see this dark color on the complete web page. Let me close this browser and I will open this browser with the VS Code extension called Live Server so that it will refresh the web page automatically. Now you can see the same web page again. Now let's come back. And in this container we will add the SVG code. So here let's add SVG tag viewbox equal to (00,000 and 400). Now within this SVG we have to add a text. So we will use the text tag. Let's add any ID. So I will add the ID my text, and here let's add the X 50% and Y also 50%. Now close this tag, and in this one let's add any text that you want to display on the web page. So here I will write YouTube like this. Now let's open the web page again. You can see a text here which is YouTube. Let's come back and come to this CSS file. Here we will add that tag which is SVG, and for this one let's increase the font size. So I will add the font size of 150 pixel. Now you can see it looks like this. You can see the increased font size. Next we have to add some space from the top. So here we will add padding top. Let's add 11%. Now we have some space from the top. Next we have to move this text in the center. So let's come back and here let's add text anchor equal to middle. Now you can see this text in the center. After adding this text we have to duplicate this text. So for that we will add use xlink href equal to, and here we will add this ID which is my text with the hashtag like this. And with this one let's add a class name called copy because it is a duplicate text, and let's add one more class name copy1. Now close this tag and simply duplicate it and change the class name copy 2, 3, 4 and 5. After that if I refresh the web page you can see only one text because all the text are overlapping each other. Now just come back and let's copy this class name and write it in the CSS file. Here let's add the fill none. After that we will add stroke. It will be white color. Then we will add the stroke width. 3 pixel. Now you can see the stroke, and we have the background color which is black. So let's remove this black color. For that, in this text we will add fill none, like this. Now you can see there is no color within this stroke. So right now you can see the same stroke on all the text, which is 5 duplicate text over here. Copy 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All these duplicate text have the same color stroke, which is white color. So next we will add the different color of a stroke, and we will add the stroke dash array. So let's come back, and here let's add the stroke dash array. It will be 8% and 30%. After that we will add stroke dash offset 0%. You can see the text is broken. Let's come back, and here we will add an animation. So write animation, write any name, text animation, 6 seconds, linear, infinite. Now we will add the keyframes for this animation. %, and copy this one, stroke dash offset, it will be -35%. After that you can see the animation in this text, but right now you can see only white color, and all the duplicate text are animated at the same time. So we have to add different color and different animation delay. Let's come back, and you can see we have added the different class name, copy 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Using these class name we will add different color and different animation delay. Let's come back, and here we will add the first class name, which is copy 1, and in the first one we will add another color for the stroke. So simply we will add stroke and write the color code. Let me copy the color code which is already written here. This is the first one, and in the first one we will add another animation delay. So it will be -1 second. Let's duplicate it. So it is copy 2, 3, 4, 5. Animation delay will be -2, -3, -4 and -5. Next we have to change the color code. Let me just copy and paste it here. So after updating the different stroke color and different animation delay, let's open the web page again. Now you can see this text animation looks very beautiful. So finally we have completed this animated text using SVG. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like and share this video, and also subscribe my channel Easy Tutorials to watch more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video.